Okay, today we're going to take a look at another new, well, that's a new sign, but let's take a look at another new Zippo. Start where I usually start, and this video is brought to us by Max Barbecue Pork Skins. They are excellent. And Michelob Ultra, and maybe a little Fireball. So let's take a look at this Zippo. Came in a nice protective sleeve. It says brass herringbone sweep, and this is kind of a basic brass Zippo. Also says brass herringbone sweep above the barcode, and there it is. You can see the herringbone pattern going one way on the bottom and the other way on the lid. This is a nice one to have because it will not take fingerprints. Good one to carry. Now it's got a steel insert and it has been colored brass color. I don't know how they do that, but I contacted Zippo and they said they can't make brass inserts because brass is too, let's see, what did they say? Not as hard as steel. Well, I know that, but they could at least make some for collectors. Anyway, that's the basic brass herringbone sweep pattern. It's a nice one, and this was made in, looks like I of 19, so that looks like September of this year. Pretty good stampings, made in Bradford, PA, USA. Let's do a drop test on this basic brass Zippo. Yep, that passed. That was a nice one. It's got a really good sound. Now Zippo makes many brass Zippos. I have quite a few. I probably have 24. Here's a good one. The Punisher. They have lots of them with their own logo on. That's a nice one. And of course they just have the plain brushed, no pattern, no logo. So that is one of your basic Zippos. And I suppose that deserves some cowbell. One more thing. Binging. I was binging on The Magician. Bill Bixby was in this series in the early 70s. And he only did 21 episodes. Pretty good. He drives a, let's see, I think it's a 73 Corvette Stingray. Tooling around. And another pretty good movie, Hacksaw Ridge. Yeah, it's based on a true story. It's worth seeing. So there you go. How about some more cowbell? Hope that didn't wake anybody up. Knuckle bump.